Welcome. So excited for today. Got up early and just looking forward to another week of school lockdown.
It's fun, and we haven't been to class for a couple of days because we're just having a break. I think because maybe the teacher's a bit lazy, and same with us, but like, you know...
It's been good. It's been good. Some downs, you know, it's kind of hard to get out.
Apparently she's been doing some other things, but I don't think there's anything else important than teaching her own kids, so... Oi, I'll give you a hiding in a minute, shush! Okay,
times tables, cooking, swimming, and workouts.
There's none of your friends in your class, they're just brothers and like cousins and stuff. So it's just kind of annoying, and they're all boys, so I'm like the only girl, so it gets quite lonely sometimes.
Keep on dancing.
I can't wait to go back to normal life, but understand that this is important, that we must stay home to stop the spread, and ka pai, Jacinda and her team, they're doing a wonderful job.
I had baked donut bites, and I've baked cinnamon buns, and I had baked Rice Krispies, which I did not film, but I did. And we are doing hangi today.
Shopping, it's getting intense, prices are going up, bargains are going down, no more specials.
I think there are more essential services that need to come on board. You know, yes, the supermarkets are there, and you know, praise Jesus, hallelujah that they're there. But you know, we would like beauty salons.
Our economy is shutting down. It's quite hard for New Zealand, I suppose.
It's important for our well-being, our hinengaro, our wairua. You know, our ability to manaki is built on this. It's built on all of this. And when things turn feral, you know, we like to feel good, and you know, these amazing miracle workers that are beauty salon workers, they're worth their weight in gold. Because look, we are, how many days in, I've lost count. I mean, every day is a Saturday or a Sunday, and we need them back. So please, Jacinda, JC, please, can we just